Everyone thinks the best-selling portable car jump starter is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, NOCO Boost GB40. First up is the NOCO Boost GB40. This little beast caught my attention because it's touted as a bestseller, priced around $91.21. If you want reliable power to start dead batteries without the fuss, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The GB40 packs a punch with 1,000 amps of peak lithium power, meaning it can start gas engines up to 6L and diesel engines up to 3L. That's about 20 starts per charge. Plus, it features NOCO's ultra-safe technology, preventing any sparks or reverse polarity mistakes. Who needs that kind of stress when you're stranded? And it's not just a jump starter. It doubles as a power bank to recharge your devices with a 2150 mAh battery capacity and comes with an integrated LED flashlight for those dark emergencies. Honestly, this part surprised me. Having a flashlight in a jump starter is just smart design. Now, some people complained about the price. Here's the thing though, while it may seem a bit steep, the reliability and safety features justify it, especially if you often find yourself on the road. This is perfect for you if you frequently travel or own older vehicles. Skip this one if you don't want to invest in quality, but it's worth the price for peace of mind. Product number 2, OXI LAM Jump Starter. Next is the OXI LAM Jump Starter, priced at $59.99. This one grabbed my attention because of its impressive power specs. If you want a jump starter capable of tackling larger engines and extreme conditions, this is definitely worth checking out. With a peak current of 6,000 amps, this jump starter can handle all gas engines and 12L diesel engines with ease. Plus, it offers 10 intelligent safety protections, which is crucial for new users worried about making a mistake. Charging your devices is quick and hassle-free, saving you time when you're in a pinch. The LED display also gives you real-time battery status, which is super handy. However, some users found it a bit bulky. Here's the thing, while it's slightly bigger than others, its performance outweighs that downside, especially if you prioritize power over portability. This is perfect for you if you own larger vehicles or need something reliable. Skip this one if you prefer a more compact option, but it's a solid investment for those who need serious power. Product number 3, TREKORI Portable Car Jump Starter. Now we have the TREKORI Portable Car Jump Starter, retailing at $35.99. This caught my eye for its balance of price and performance. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features, this is worth a serious look. With 4,000 amps of peak power, this jump starter can easily restart vehicles up to 8L gas and 6.5L diesel engines. It's perfect for everyday use, and the extra 16,800 mAh capacity means you can also use it as a portable power bank for your devices. A standout for me is the multifunctional light, which offers several modes for emergencies. On the downside, some reviews mention that the charging time could be longer than expected. But honestly, if you're looking for a great starter option, this isn't a deal breaker, especially at this price point. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable jump starter without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something with extreme high-end specs, but it offers great value for everyday drivers. Product number 4, GOOLOO A3 Jump Starter. Next up is the GOOLOO A3 Jump Starter, priced at $69.97. This one really impressed me due to its multifunctionality. If you're looking for something that not only jumps batteries but also inflates tires, keep watching. With 3,000 amps of starting power, it easily handles 9L gas and 6.5L diesel engines. What really stands out is the built-in air compressor that inflates anything from tires to sports equipment, making it a versatile tool for any road trip. Plus, it has a smart LED screen that guides you through the inflation process. However, some users pointed out that it can get quite hot during use. Here's the thing, while you should be cautious, this is common with powerful devices. Just give it a little break in between uses, and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you're an outdoor enthusiast who needs multiple functionalities in one device. Skip this one if you only need a basic jump starter, but it's a fantastic combo tool. Product number 5, SZVZO ET03. Finally, we have the SZVZO ET03 priced at $56.99. This one stood out to me because of its impressive power and safety features. If you want something that works well across a variety of vehicles, you should definitely consider this. The ET03 can jumpstart vehicles with up to 8L gas and 7L diesel engines, which is pretty solid. What's unique is its ability to start a battery as low as 0V. That's a lifesaver in many situations. It also has 10 intelligent safety protections to keep you safe from mishaps, which is a huge plus for those who might be new to using jump starters. The downside, some users found that the LED light could be brighter. But honestly, for most situations, it's more than adequate and serves its purpose well. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable jump starter for various types of vehicles. Skip this one if you want something with a more powerful flashlight, but it provides great value for its price. So there you have it. We covered the NOCO Boost GB40 OXILAM Jump Starter, TREKURE Portable Car Jump Starter, GOOLOOA3, and the SZVZO ET03. Each of these options has its strengths and could fit different needs. Whether you want power, portability, or multifunctionality, there's a solid choice for you. Don't wait until you're stranded, pick one today.